रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
FBI said it has seen hacking attempts on US groups researching vaccines, treatments, and testing. The US has long accused the Chinese government of cyber espionage, something Beijing denies. The pandemic has worsened tensions between the two countries, which have both accused each other of falling it contained the outbreak. More than 4.3 million people around the world have been infected by COVID-19, with over 83,000 US deaths and 4,600 deaths in China, according to Johns Hopkins University. The Federal Bureau of Investigation and Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, a division of the Homeland Security Department, issued a rare joint warning on Wednesday. In what was billed as a public service announcement, they said healthcare, pharmaceutical, and research sectors working on COVID-19 response should all be aware they are prime targets of hackers. The cyber thieves had been observed attempting to identify and illicitly obtained valuable intellectual property and public health data on treating the coronavirus, the statement added. China has repeatedly denied US accusation of cyber espionage. Earlier this week, Foreign Affairs Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian said, "We are leading the world in COVID-19 treatment and vaccines research. It is immoral to target China with rumors and slanders in the absence of any evidence." At a press briefing on Monday, President Donald Trump referred to China's alleged cyber activities. "What else is new with China? I'm not happy with China. Could have stopped it at the source. Should have," he said. "Now you're telling me they're hacking. What else is new? We are watching very closely." US officials have long accused China of hacking and intellectual property theft. In 2009, the US alleged that China-linked hackers managed to infiltrate the sensitive data from the Lockheed Martin F-35 fighter jet. Shortly afterwards, China announced it was developing a similar jet, the Shenyang J-31. Intelligence officials that have also in the past accused China of using non-traditional collectors who steal technology from US firms. Will Avenina, director of the US National Counterintelligence and Security Center, has said China's theft of US intellectual property amounts to be about $400 billion a year. The UK and US had already issued a detailed joint warning about other countries targeting research back on 5 May. On the occasion, they did not officially name names, but sources indicated China, Russia, Iran were among those responsible. Now, in a widely trailed move, the US has decided to single out China specifically with this new advisory. So far, they have not been joined by the UK, and the new alert does not contain any new details of what has taken place. That means this may well be interpreted as a means of both playing to a domestic audience and of raising the pressure on China as part of the growing tension between Washington and Beijing.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी